Probably you are a video editor or a filmmaker stuck between $0 and $3,000 per month. You're burning hours on outreach, but you never convert anything. Your inbox stays empty and you don't make any money from video editing. I've been there chasing small projects, wondering why high-paying clients never bite or they never come to me, but always to other video editors. So in this video, I'm giving my cold outreach copy away, how I could even charge up to $8,000 per project, on how I could close $3,000 to $4,000 per month clients on a monthly basis. Stick around because I will literally give the whole strategy away to how I find clients, then how I make outreach to those clients, how I get those clients onto a sales call, and then how I close them with the right offer on the sales call so they become my clients and pay me a lot of money. This exact strategy helped me to go from 500, 1,000, 2,000 gigs up to monthly predictable income because I signed clients on a monthly basis, or I had high paying clients paying me 8,000 euros, 6,000 euros. So let's go. So first of all, we need to understand, who do we target? And the targeting is very simple. Anyone who makes a lot of money when you get them views. So it's simple to understand. These are mentors, coaches, real estate agents, anything correlated with finance. And now we can niche down and say, for example, mentors in the Amazon FBA space, mentors in the sales space, and then you just target those. We have a outbound system which targets these automatically, which we teach in Creator Scale, first link in the description, where we explain everything. And we have an automated system which specifically targets these clients and sends up to 50 messages per day automatically with the copy I'm just giving away for free. You can do it manually. If you want to have the whole strategy, just click the first link in the description. But the whole strategy is just to send the right copy. So let's come towards the copy. So the Instagram outreach method is a two outreach system or two message system, meaning we have the first message, which is an opener, and then we have the second message when the message from the other person was positive, then we send the pitch. So the first message will be something like, hey, first name, do you currently have capacity for new clients? When the person says yes from the content, obviously you know this already from their Instagram channel, but then you have their commitment, and then you send the pitch, which goes, thanks for the reply, I get straight to the point. Would it be interesting for you to have a filmmaker/editor on hand to put you in a better light and improve your public image in order to be perceived as an expert, increase sales, and stand out from the competition? So literally the exact copy I used to close per client $6,000 to $8,000. So the first message we can swap, meaning we can either use our open for new clients, or you can also ask what's the best way to contact you, and then they answer, it will be positive, and then you send the pitch out. You can also change the pitch a bit, depends on what you're specifically focusing on. For example, when you're starting out and you have more and more to prove, you can put more proof into this copy. So these days I'm putting something in like, I helped already X businesses to achieve X result, and there's more trust than behind it after this copy, and the success rate or the yes rate, the answer rate, the reply rate is much higher. And again, when they answer with a positive message after the pitch, you get straight to the point and you just send this as a message. The easiest would be to jump on a quick call. I'll walk you through how this could work for your business and how we could work together. When would you have 15 minutes free this week to map things out properly? And then they answer either with a time, or afterwards you can also say something like, hey, would tomorrow 3 p.m. and then time zone fit into your calendar? And then you schedule the time. I use a tool which is called Calendly, so they get actually reminders, so the no-show rate is shrinking and the person gets notified via SMS or via email, so there's a meeting. Not only the calendar, obviously they automatically get a calendar invite from Calendly, but it's very good to have a system which reminds them as well as a follow-up. So when you agreed on the timing, then you send this message out. I sent you a quick calendar invite for, and then you just say the date at and then the time and the time zone. Could you please share your email with me so I can send it over? And then just like I said, I go into Calendly manually and I just put it in as I've been declined, and then the client just automatically gets the calendar invite and the message and the follow-up later on, like 1 hour before, 2 hours before. This you can all set up in Calendly. And I promise, when you just do this, you target the right clients, you have a clean Instagram profile, and you know how to close the sales, you will print money. And obviously there's much more to consider, such as I just explained. You need to have a very good profile on Instagram, not very good, but you just need to be trusted. Then you should understand how to have a sales goal, and all of this we teach in Creator Scale. If you want to apply, there's a free video explaining how to get to $10,000 per month. First link in the description. And when you found value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye. And I just arrived yesterday back in Dubai. What an amazing view, isn't it? There's some clouds as well. Bye bye.